Today is Saturday and I'm going to the nursery to get some plants for our winter garden. I'm here at the nursery and I'll get lacinato too. This one is what I'm looking for. Oh no, actually no, this is cabbage, red cabbage. I'm looking for kohlrabi. Oh, this is beautiful. Cheddar cauliflower. What else? Chard. Let's get chard. Maybe this one. White light. Swiss chard. Oh, they're all the same. This one. There's no orange. No, there's no orange. I like the orange one. Here at the nursery getting some plants, and here are the plants I got. I'm planting the lacinato kale here. And then on the other two would be this one, the Russian kale. Like here. These are cheddar cauliflower, and then this other one is purple cauliflower. This one. So I'm going to plant some of them on this box too. So I planted like lacinato alternate with Russian kale. So these are like all kale. And then here I'm planting one cheddar and one purple kale. So they are pretty when they have their like flowers. I don't know if they're, yeah, it's probably called cauliflower. So one would be yellow and the other one would be purple. So this is the purple one. These are the vegetables on this bed. We have the purple cauliflower, the cheddar cauliflower, the kale, the red Russian kale, and then the lacinato kale. So 2 varieties of kale and 2 varieties of cauliflower. This is 2 by 8, 2 feet by 8 feet box. This box is underneath this calamansi tree or calamundine. Look at all these calamundine. There are a lot of fruits, see, and then also next to a pear tree, a lot of pears too. I need to harvest them. See those pears? Those are Andrew pears. And then here I am going to plant this one, the Swiss chard. On this side, I'm going to plant this tall, snappy magnolia blossoms. Look at that. hummingbird. See, you hear that? That's a hummingbird. It's coming here. Look at that. Hello. There's a lot of hummingbirds here actually because of this flower. This orange trumpet, they like it. Anyway, look at this hanging one. This is very pretty, right? Okay, let's plant the pansies and the other stuff, the other vegetables, the cauliflower. This one goes to our those grow bags. So these ones, I have a video of this one. These are like really small bags that you can even bring inside the house. Look at this. So I'm just like removing the dead leaves from here. There are still some flowers. I'm going to leave them. And then here are the pansies on a grow bag, a 1 gallon grow bag. There you go. Beautiful. Now I need to replace that box. That's a whiskey barrel with new strawberries. This branch is kind of like blocking the walk right here, so I need to I harvested 5 pairs. I saw a monarch butterfly. Let's go. Look at that. Hello. Oh, there you go. Probably looking for a milkweed to lay eggs. You have a milkweed on the other side. Look at this up close. Hello. Beautiful butterfly. Ah, where are you? There you go. You see that? Do you see that? Beautiful. It's the view of the nursery from this side. So it's big. And here are the leafy vegetables. Okay. Little peas. Marvel. This one is Chinese cabbage. I want this one. Chinese cabbage and joy choy. So I get Chinese cabbage. And then, oh, this one I like. Kyoja. I can't remember how to pronounce it correctly. Beets. I like this. There's a lot though. I'm not sure how I'm going to separate them. I like this one too. This is sort of it says red giant mustard, but I think this is the same as purple Osaka mustard. I like this one. Beautiful. Look at these gorgeous flowers. Beautiful flowers. Hi, Pancho. Hello. We are having Noah's New York bagels for breakfast. The cream cheese or whipped schmear are onion and chive and plain. And these are the bagels, baker's dozen. Mine is the blueberry.